Smash the subscribe button and the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Hello viewers, this is Aditya from Aditya Tech 162. Today I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm gonna say you all about the ultimate tips and tricks with the JioPhone. So let's get started. Now guys, let's get into some basic tricks. Now I'm gonna say you how to lock and unlock your device. To unlock, it itself says that long press star key to unlock this device. So it's unlocked. When this JioPhone was new to me, even I used to confuse how to lock this device. After some days of usage, I came to know that by pressing or holding the star key makes the device locked, and by holding this star key it makes the device to unlock. Now let's talk about some other tricks. If you are in any meeting and if you don't want your phone to ring or vibrate, you can just simply press and hold this hash key to go into a vibrate mode or any silent mode. See, now I kept into the general mode, and when I switch this phone to vibration mode, it also shows it on the notification bar. Now this is one of my favorite trick in this Jio mobile. I think this feature is most common in many of the basic model devices. This feature makes the JioPhone somewhat special to me. The feature name is the speed dial. Now let's see. By pressing a number key, and if you are in any emergency, you cannot remember a person's whole full number, and you cannot also go to the contacts and search for much longer time for that contact. If you think a contact is very much important to you, you can save that contact in the speed dial. If you wanna save a contact in the speed dial, you can select a number which you like and press hold that button, and if you want to enroll the number, you can tap on this assign button. Now I'll show you with an example. In the trick of speed dial, I have enrolled my number in this number 1 key. Now I'll press hold this number 1 key and see what happens. See, it's calling. And I'm gonna cut this call. And now let's come into the platform of tips. If you want to go to the browser, and when you are in an emergency or you need to browse anything a super faster way, you can press this 0 button to browse it fastly. See, it's the Google homepage. You can make a search on this. For example, I'm searching Google. The result is here. Now, this tip is one of the most important feature. If you are in any emergency, if you want to make an emergency call, you can press hold this 5 number key to make a SOS call to your emergency number. I press hold that and it started dialing to the emergency number. If you want to change that emergency number, you can also put the 100 to police or anything or etc. The special feature that makes this JioPhone very attractive is the video call in this basic model smartphone. This JioPhone has an app that is the JioChat. Through this, you can make a video call to any other Jio customers who are in your contact list. If you want to directly make a video call, and if you want to save the time without going to the app drawer and going to the JioChat, you can just press the number and you can just press hold this call button, and that will take you a video call. See, it's the Jio video call. And the other feature which makes this JioPhone very attractive is the Jio Pay. If you want to pay anything, you can press this Jio Pay button and it will take you to the Jio Pay app. And if you want to go to the My Jio app, And if you want to save your time by without going into the app drawer and selecting the My Jio app, you can just tap this button which will be on the top right side. You can press hold this button and it will take you to the My Jio app. Now think that you are in an emergency situation and you need a torchlight and you are in a darkest room. If you want to switch on the torchlight, you need not go to the notifications or anything else. You can just press hold this upper button and the torch is switched on. And if you want to switch it off, you can press hold that button to switch it off. Hope you all guys enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.